Behind the Build episode 4. The RX-7 is getting pretty close to ready for paint, but before we can paint, we have to test fit a whole bunch of goodies to make sure that they're mounted properly before it's painted. That's just what you gotta do. So we've got a whole bunch of carbon fiber stuff we're playing with today. We have our front canards, our rear vortex generators, our carbon fiber side skirts, some carbon fiber side mirrors that we ordered in, and then we have to drill and test fit our 99 spec wing as well. Oh, and we have our big ass carbon fiber diffuser too. Ah, yeah, that one. So let's go do all of these things.
Alright, do you have any idea of how to actually bolt this thing up?
No, it didn't come with instructions. There might be like instructions on the website or something, but I think we just kind of go for it.
We're too stubborn to follow instructions anyways.
Yeah. Okay, let's try to not scratch it on the ground.
Oh yeah, you can see that those two tabs.
Oh yeah, you can see?
Yeah, I can see. There's that bolt there, and then there's that bolt right there, and both of those link up with those tabs. And then there's these little aluminum brackets that came that look like they'll fill the distance from those. And then over here at the front, there's no tab or anything. So I'm thinking maybe we'll just have to make a little 90-degree bracket that is underneath, and then we can just send one bolt up through there. And then there's that other center section piece.
Yeah, because we've got to hold this piece to the center piece to this piece. So.
Yeah. So just sandwich it all together up in the front there. Okay. And then on the sides, there's the, not the diffusers.
Oh, the vortex generators.
Yeah, and those will
because they mount to here and to here, so.
Yeah. All right, let's bolt it up.
And the side vortex generators are on, and they're good, and they're bolted, and they look great, and it was pretty easy. The driver's side went a lot better for sure, just because we weren't trying to make it even on both sides yet, but when we got to the passenger side, it wasn't sitting perfectly square, so it just took a little bit more tweaking to get it sitting perfect. But that's all done, so it's time to move on to the side skirts.
move on to the front bumper.
Yeah, we've got the bumper guards here, and they don't fit great. You can see the gap there. It's fine.
Yeah,
but then back here too,
the back corner sticks out kind of obnoxiously.
So if we could like screw it from the sides, it would fit like a little bit better, but then we have to see the hardware. And there's still like the jagged edge. So like, I don't know, we could run it, but we're just going to not run these because we don't have to. So we're just going to do the 2 canards instead. So that one does not go there. That one goes right there. Looking really nice. And this one goes right there. So these should be pretty quick. Let's do it. Okay, next up we've got the carbon fiber mirrors for this car. So these are just direct replacement for the factory ones, except instead of being the big weird bulky ones, they are just nice little carbon fiber ones. So it comes with all the new brackets and everything, so these should be pretty freaking easy to get on there. So look at that, I'm already done. Amazing. Yeah, there we go. So, and then you mount it there, and it's they're all done.
How do we mount this thing up now?
That's a great question. It looks like we might be kind of close on some of these. That would be awesome if it is actually the same mounting.
Then we can go home at a decent time.
Yeah, that would be amazing. Also, this is our nice used aftermarket 99 spec wing that is cracked all over the place because I'm not about to spend $2,000 on an OEM one. So we also have to fix this, but that's for another day. But yeah, let's just grab some bolts and see if they line up at the bottom.
Right.
Okay, well the car is all done for today. It's been a long day, but a rewarding one for sure. It looks so cool, finally looking like a little bit of a real race car. And so much carbon fiber, we're just in a really good mood. So we're happy. I hope you're happy too. Make sure you go check out our Instagram. We've been doing a whole bunch of stuff on there, just like cool stories and stuff. For if you guys love seeing this car, you would want to see that too. And that's all guys, we'll see you back here next week.